What is that letter?
T.
T. What about this?
What? X.
X. Very good.
X. X.
X.
Example.
What about this? Letter
M.
M. What about this?
U.
U. What about this?
G.
G.
D.
Number
Number
2.
2. Thank you.
This one. Thank you.
Speaker.
B. What about this?
T.
T. This one.
8.
8.
T.
T. What about this?
B.
T.
B. B.
This one. Letter
D.
D. Very good. What about this? What about this?
O.
Oh.
1.
1. Very good, Christian. This one. CK. Letter
F.
F. Very good. One more.
Die.
One more. Oh, this one. What's the letter of this, CK?
T.
This one. CK. CK.
Q.
Q.
B.
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 Buyer.
Buyer.
B.
B. What about this? Is the same? The same letter, babe?
J.
J.
B.
B. What about this one? What about this one? What's the letter of this?
9.
9. What about this one?
8.
What about this one?
S.
S.
W.
W. What about number
4.
4? Good job. What about this number 8?
8.
What about this one? Letter R. This one. Number
Mommy.
5.
2.
What about this?
2.
No. Number
M.
M. What about this one? CK.